We also have a simple 30-second easy cleaning method. From time to time some of the spray holes may get blocked, so we have a simple 30-second easy clean method. If you ever notice the spray is a bit different or have a stray spray out to the side, it's usually because one of the tiny holes is blocked. All you do is open the shower head, flip the shower plate 180 degrees and turn your shower on for 30 to 60 seconds. This blasts out any impurities and unclogs any clogged spray holes. This is one of the main reasons that the holes are smaller on the outside than the inside, so it's easier to unclog any blocked spray holes. So now, you can see how easy it is to clean the Amane shower head, and if you have hard water or limescale buildup, you won't need to replace your shower head every few months.